Layla, aka Lilcutenurse. I'm back, guys, with another video. How y'all doing? How you been? How your sisters, auntie, cousins, nephews, grandbabies? How everybody doing? I hope everybody's blessed, still here. How y'all doing? Did y'all miss me? I took a little time to go to work. That's all. Just a few days that I had to work. Other than that, I've been posting videos. Y'all already know it. But now that I'm back, y'all, I got a new unit. This unit is from Janet Collections. I want to thank Janet Collections for sending this unit over. I thought she was really cute when I saw her. She got a few little issues, you know. I don't know if it'll help if I redo her braid. But y'all will see in the video, it feels like she short at the top, you know. And I had to kind of tie her down, but she worked out. I think she's kind of cute, but it's going to take a little work in her. This is Braid Layla. She's in a 1B extremely deep part lace wig. This is what the packaging looks like. And I just thought that was really, really pretty. But there's something going on with the hairline that's just not, I don't know, it's just not gelling with me. But if you guys want to see the specs, the ins and outs of Miss Layla, just keep on watching. It'll be right up. See you guys in the next video. Y'all stay blessed. Okay, guys, this is what the unit looks like in the package. This is how she comes packaged. That is pretty. I cannot wait to get this baby on. This is Miss Braid Layla. She got two pretty braids, y'all. Two pretty braids. I wish I had got her in some color. That's what the hang tag, let's say hashtag, hang tag looks like. Oh yeah, I like these braids. And I just might be able to do the length. Let me get her out, guys. All right, Jenny Collection, I see you. This is some really, really soft lace, y'all. Let me cut this off. See what this says. Miss Layla. I have her in a color 1B, of course, as you guys can tell. I was trying to see if she was Carolina safe. She does have soft Swiss lace. It does not say, but she's curly, so why would you need to curl her? That's what she looks like in the back. I like that braid. That braid just is everything to me. Y'all, I am so into braid units now. I like that braid. Let me just, y'all, this video is not going to be as long. I'm not going to make it longer than it has to. She got some little tiny baby hairs up there, if y'all can see them. Just real tiny. They're not too long. They're just real sparse. And that part is just nice. Real nice. I'm going to go ahead and cut this lace off, y'all. And I will be right back really quick if I can find my scissors. Okay, yeah, I got all the lace off. I went out and put some concealer inside the part because this is what the inside of the cap looks like. You see that? And the only thing that is lace is the part. So, just for this once, me not putting any concealer on my hair like I do every time. Y'all know I do. I just put it in the part. Yeah, that's good. That made it come all the way out. Let's pop this baby on. Oh, I'm already. Okay, she ain't moving. Let me get her from Cox's side. Let me get on right. Okay, she a little snug around the tub. You know, around the tank. My big head. I got a big old head. She got the little bendy, the little, you know, the little bendy things that come along the side. Okay. Trying to get it up. I can see that little line. I might need to go get some powder and put my powder around the edges. Okay, guys, let me show y'all what this is how the lace. It was a pretty medium dark lace, kind of brown. So it's not really too hard to blend in. I'm just gonna use my Benefit powder and just go around my edges. Get it to blend in with my foundation. I'm thinking it's the braids that's kind of, I don't know if you guys can see it. It looks like, but you know what? I can spray that. Kind of having my lace stand up a bit. So I'm going to need to or either put some gel on it. And it looks like, yeah, that's what I'll use, my 24-hour edge gel, to just lay it down. Yeah, now I'm getting that look I want. I don't want it to look greasy, but I know I'm piling on a lot. This is cute. I gotta put some in this part to make it look like I kind of oil that part. I don't know if I told you. See how it's kind of pulling up right here? Yeah, I don't like that. I need it to be flat and stay flat at all times. So I'm just trying to see if I can get her to do that without tying her down. Spray her a little bit, tie her down. Braid is a little loose on the edges, but I'm sure I did that when I put it on. It's a motorcycle. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't expect that. Really? Okay, now we'll get back to the video. I kind of wish, you know, usually I don't want a lot of baby hair, but I need a little more baby hair. Just a little touch, just a little touch more. Because it's kind of like the braids are pulling up on the side. Yeah, let me let you guys see the back, how the hair looks in the back. That's a good length too. It's not aggravating. I don't know if it's not aggravating because it's all the way in the back. But yeah, that's a good length. Okay. I'm pretty sure I'm going to have to tie these sides down, y'all. But I'm not going to keep on talking. I'm going to go fix it. And y'all will see it looking better on the intro. Alright, y'all. I hope everybody's having a wonderful, blessed day. And I will see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed, guys. Did y'all see my... We ain't going to talk about it right now. Alright.